Hello and welcome to my kitchen. My name is John and my grandchildren call me Gumpa. The reason I'm doing this video is because when I was originally a single parent many years ago, a friend of mine said to me, "Your kids love staying with you, John, but your cooking's rubbish." That was a real challenge for me, and since then I've improved my cooking, and after 34 years I want to share some ideas with you about how to make tasty meals, cheap meals of good quality. Let's start with my original favourite, spaghetti bolognese, the children's favourite. Here's what you need. 500 grams of minced beef, 500 grams of minced pork, 2 tins of tomatoes, preferably San Marzano, 2 carrots chopped, 2 celery stalks chopped, a medium onion sliced, a tablespoon of dried oregano, a tablespoon of tomato paste, a tablespoon of olive oil, and salt and pepper to taste. Now you start by browning your meat, which means you cook it in a pan. You know the saying that men can't multitask? Well, it's true, and this video proves it. I can't cook, film and talk all at once. I cook the meat in an air fryer at 180 degrees for 35 minutes. You can, of course, use a conventional oven for this task. After the veg had been cooking in the pan for about 10 or 15 minutes, I add the meat and then the tinned tomatoes, the oregano, the tomato paste and the salt and pepper. Baking the meat, as I did, means you can remove any excess fat before adding it to the veg. And to deal with kids who don't like the veg, you put the whole lot into a food processor and give it a whiz.
Can't see any veg. That will fool the kids completely, look.
Pasta's had its 8 minutes of cooking. The bolognese sauce is heating up and we just simply lift pasta and a bit of water. You want some pasta water with it to add to the sauce, because that's also adding flavour. And then just simply cook this for the last what's a bit more water, look, for the last 2 minutes. Okay, so the pasta's cooked into a bowl and sprinkled with grated Parmesan cheese. There you have Gumpa John's very simple spag bowl. Don't forget to add that splash of pasta water because it contains starch which helps to thicken the sauce. And if you've enjoyed my first video, please press the like button. Thank you.